Hi and welcome to a new video tutorial in which we're gonna see how to easily connect your Campaign Monitor email marketing account to a lead generation element or to a Thrive Leads opt-in form. If you want to use the services offered by your Thrive teams and your Campaign Monitor account at the same time, you should create an API connection between them. In order to do that, you will need to get the API key from your Campaign Monitor account. Therefore, you first have to log into your account and click on your profile icon from the upper right corner of your page. From this drop-down list, select Account Settings. Now here you will have to select the API Keys section. And this will take you to the page where you can manage your API keys. As you can see, you have your client ID right here and the API key right on top of it. And in order to view it, you first have to click on Show API Key and then insert your account password. Now you can go ahead and copy your API key as you will need it later in your Thrive dashboard account. Now you can head over to your WordPress admin dashboard and access your Thrive dashboard from the left sidebar. On this page, you're gonna have to look for the API connections card, and once you find it, click on Manage Connections. You will be able to view here the full list of available integrations. In order to add a new one, scroll down until you find the Add New Connection button and click on it. And now from this drop-down list, make sure you select Campaign Monitor. Now, as you can see, you will have to paste here the API key that you've previously copied from your account. And right below, you will see that by default, your Campaign Monitor approved email address is added in the corresponding field. If it's not added by default, you can just type in your email address. Also, there's one more additional option worth mentioning here. If you use Campaign Monitor to send transactional emails, for example, asset delivery emails, then you might consider activating this option from here. Therefore, with this option, besides setting up the connection to connect your opt-in forms to your Campaign Monitor account, you will also connect your Thrive Teams account to the Campaign Monitor's transactional email service. For the purpose of this video, I only need the API connection with Campaign Monitor without the transactional email service, so I'll just go ahead and click on Connect. If the connection is successful, you'll see this notification, so you can just go ahead and click on Done. The connection card has appeared right here, and as you can see, there are 3 additional options you can use. You can always come back to this dashboard to further test, edit, or remove the connection if you want. You can now start setting up the connection with a lead generation element from Thrive Architect or with an opt-in form from Thrive Leads. I will first show you how to link your Campaign Monitor account to a lead generation element. And for that, I'm going to access the Pages section of my WordPress admin dashboard and then edit a page with Thrive Architect. Now, in the newly opened page, click on this plus sign to view the full list of available elements and look for the lead generation one. Once found, drag and drop it to your page to the desired location and then pick a template from the template library. I will go ahead with this one. And now the element has been added to my page. As usual, the main options have appeared in the left sidebar, and if you want to find out how to use all these options, make sure to check out this dedicated lead generation article we have in our knowledge base. For setting up the connection between this lead generation element and your Campaign Monitor account, you first need to make sure that this API button is selected here next to the connection section. Next, you can go ahead and click on Add Connection, and this will trigger a pop-up with the list of available connections. So go ahead and open this drop-down list and select Campaign Monitor from it. The next step is setting up the mailing list, and this is something that you have already set up in your Campaign Monitor account. So just go ahead, open this drop-down list and select the mailing list to which you want your users to be added. Once everything is done, click on Apply and return to the main options. Now you can start setting up the form fields which will appear here within your actual form. You can add new fields from here if you want, or edit or remove the already existing ones. And lastly, you can also decide what happens after the visitor signs up, so you can choose to redirect the user to a custom URL or display a success notification if you want, and then further customize the message from here. Now your connection is ready to be used, so make sure to save all your changes by clicking on the Save Work button. Next, I want to show you how easily you can connect your Campaign Monitor account to a Thrive Leads opt-in form. So once more, in your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Thrive Dashboard and select Thrive Leads. This will take you to the Thrive Leads dashboard. Now here you will have to find the group that has the opt-in form you want to use for this connection and click on it to expand it. Next, click on the Edit button next to the form type that you want to edit, and I'm going to be choosing this ribbon right here. This will open a list with all the ribbon types of forms. Add as many as you want from this button right here. I'll just go ahead with the one I already created, and in order to start editing the form, I will click on this pencil icon. As you can see, this will open the Thrive Architect editor. Now look for the lead generation element within the template that you have chosen for your opt-in form, and mine is right here, and simply select it. Once you do that, you will notice that the main options will appear in the left sidebar, and they are identical to the ones previously showcased in this video for connecting your Campaign Monitor account to the lead generation element. You can go ahead and add the connection and follow the same steps as already described. And that's pretty much it. Now, whenever the visitors submit their information using the form on which you have set up your Campaign Monitor API connection, they will appear in your Campaign Monitor mailing list. I really hope this video tutorial was useful to you, and as always, please make sure to check out other tutorials available in our knowledge base if you want to learn more about our product.